Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today, no sawmill. Instead, we'll be using that. The problem that we're solving, see that's my driveway here? Well, you see these pipes? Yeah. You see how there's a lot of dirt and stuff coming in there? That's because it's all rusted out. The whole thing's collapsing on me. Look, it's even collapsing up on top there on the far side. This one, it doesn't look too bad yet, but it's collapsing too. So I'm pulling these out and I'm putting them big black pipes in. Yep. We're getting there. So down here, I'm going to take that third pipe, cut it in half, and stick half in each end. That's why we have the bell end and the other end here, so I can connect it. And then I got to dig out that a little bit, make sure this water flows out of there. And then up this end, I got to dig out a little bit right there, right along this bank, and put the dirt back in here. But hey, that'll work. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Okay, so I got the third pipe cut in half, and the two ends are stuck on there. And as you can see, it's wider than the driveway now, which is nice. But I'm having a little problem getting this pipe to go together. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get down there. It's only about 8 feet down. Whoa. Anyway, there's the problem. It just, it hooked. So I had to go up to the house and get a pry bar. So you can see what's going on. And I gotta try and pry that out. I was trying to push it on with the excavator because, you know, that's the easy way to do it. Yep, it's in. The pipes are in. They go all the way over. They're 10 foot longer than the old ones. I need 20 tons of gravel and more clay to fill in over there. And you can see I dug out everything I had. There's the old pipes. They were really bad. Look at that. So I got to get that hauled off, but it's drivable. It's kind of muddy. Till I get the gravel tomorrow, it's going to be like that. But yeah, that's a hell of a lot safer than it was. I get log trucks in here now. So here's the pipes I put in. Finally got some gravel on them. I mean, it's just, it's all just mud. Look at this. But I got it leveled out. Look at how the water is just running down there from, I mean, it's just a swamp. In the past 35 days, it's rained or snowed 30 of them. Look at all that water. So, driveway's fixed. I got to get some more topping here. I have to maybe put some geotex down and put some road grindings on it. Wow, here comes the wind. Got another storm blowing in. And I mean, the sky is clear right now. Woo. Whoa. The sky is clear right now, but like in an hour, it'll be pouring down rain. Hey, look at this is the stone I put down. Look at, it's just, I can't get nothing done. I can't saw any logs, nothing. It's rain, it's sun, it's rain, it's sun, it's rain, it's sun. It just, this is how spring is in northern Ohio. Here's those big pipes I pulled out. So I put 36-inch pipes in, but these were a little bit bigger than 36-inch. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's probably bigger than 48-inch, maybe a 50-inch. I don't know if they make them that big, but yeah, those are big. Look at that. It's just mud. It's mud everywhere. The creek has gone nuts. I love the water, but I mean, my swimming hole there's a lot of water flowing in there right now. That tree stump came down the creek. Yeah, I'm going up to the house before it starts pouring again. Look, with the island, there's trees down. I mean, upstream of me, there's entire trees falling into the creek and washing under the bridge. It's so pretty out here when the leaves come out, though. That's why I put up with it. All right, I'm heading back up there. There it is from the distance. On the other side of the bridge, you can hardly see it. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.